Hello, today we will guide you through how to add custom HTML to Confluence pages. To begin, open the Confluence page titled Getting Started in Confluence. This is your starting point for navigating to the page where you want to place the HTML. Once that page is open, look to the left-hand navigation panel and select Sample Page. This takes you into the page we'll be working on for this demonstration. After Sample Page opens, click Edit to switch the page into editing mode. This is where Confluence allows you to add and format content. If you're new to editing in Confluence, this is the workspace where macros, text, and code blocks can be inserted directly into the page layout. Next, place your cursor where you want the HTML to appear, then type /code. In Confluence, typing a slash opens the Quick Insert menu, which helps you add content elements without searching through multiple toolbars. When the options appear, choose the code snippet option. This inserts a dedicated code block onto the page, which is the correct place to add HTML in a clean and readable format. Once the code snippet block is added, click the language selector that may be set to detect language. This setting tells Confluence how to label and highlight the code. Change it by entering HTML. Selecting HTML is helpful because it improves readability and makes it clear to anyone viewing the page what type of code has been added. After that, paste your sample code into the code block. Make sure the code goes directly inside the snippet area so it stays properly formatted. This is especially useful when sharing markup with teammates, documenting examples, or storing reusable snippets for reference. As you do this, keep in mind that Confluence typically displays HTML as code inside the snippet block rather than rendering it visually on the page. That means this method is ideal for showing HTML examples, not necessarily for making the page behave like a custom web page. If your goal is documentation, tutorials, or internal references, this approach works very well. Take a quick moment to review the formatting after pasting, just to confirm the code appears where you intended and the language is set correctly. Clean formatting makes the content easier for others to read and copy later. That's all there is to it. You've opened the target page, inserted a code snippet, set the language to HTML, and added your sample code. This gives you a simple and organized way to include custom HTML on a Confluence page for display and reference.